All right, now let's take a look at how to make one of the snowman designs that are included in your kit. We are going to start with a rectangle base piece. You need white mosaic, black mosaic, and you need the blue and the green swirly glass. To make your scarf, you are going to need some orange, and you will want those beads close by so we can put some decorations on the hat. Now, first thing we are going to do is cut a rectangle for the snowman body. We are going to start with a rectangle. This is the one that I just cut white from for the trees, and this is just the right width that I want for my snowman body. So I am going to draw my line with my Sharpie. I'm going to cut my straight line with my scoring tool. Make my scratch across. My gold bolt is up on my runner to break the glass, and that gives me my snowman body. Now the snowman head, we want it to be square and narrower than our head, so I'm using my snowman body. I'm going to draw a straight line or trace my straight line, and then I'm going to do another one to create the head. Now for one of my straight lines, I use my scoring tool. My elbow is up to scratch the glass. The gold bolt is up to break the glass. And for this other shape, I just want you to remember that if you can't use the scoring tool, the glass cutters are going to get you an edge as well. So you can always use your glass cutters to cut the glass. So there's my body, there's my head. Now I'm going to use my piece of black mosaic to make myself a hat. And for the hat, it needs to be on the base piece. And so to do that, I am going to kind of measure how long I want that. And then also needs to be within the width, so narrow. Now I know you probably can't see that, but if you do the Sharpie on your own at home, you are going to be able to see the reflection. And I'm going to make a scratch all the way across. My gold bolt is up to break my glass. Now I'm going to use my glass cutters to cut out my mosaic for my hat. Now I want this to sit on the base piece, so I need to make sure all of my pieces fit on the base piece for my ornament. I'm going to take another clip, make this one a little bit shorter. Now, just like we made a bumper for the trees to help ourselves out, I'm making myself a bumper for my hat. And for a brim on my hat, I am going to use my scoring tool, and I'm going to scratch a skinny rectangle. And this might be a little challenging, and I am going to show you a second way to do this. So that gives me my brim for my hat. Again, I need it to be more narrow than the base piece. Now, if you can't cut a skinny rectangle using your scoring tool, you can cut a piece using your glass cutters. Just reach away from the bottom edge with your glass cutters. Aim your wheels a little bit away from the edge to the right or the left, and that's going to create a narrow piece that we can then put together to create a brim for our hat. So that'll give me two pieces that we're going to use as the brim of our hat. So that's the second way to make that brim. Now, snowman needs a nose. Grab your piece of orange, clip off a corner. It gives us a little triangle. And now you can make this a little shorter if you want. For your carrot nose, now we need a little smiley face. Grab some of those curls, and within the curls you're going to find just the right curve for your arch or for your smile. Now I want to glue this curl down as I'm using it, so I'm going to grab my tweezers, pick up my curl, dip it into the glue, stick that onto the face so I have my smiley face. Now for a couple of eyeballs, you can always use black beads if you want. Sometimes those are a little big. You can also take a fat piece of a black curl and clip short small pieces into that bowl like you did the snow for your trees with your tweezers. Pick up those little black dots and set them on your snowman for his eyeballs. Now let's make our snowman a little scarf. And for his scarf, we're gonna make 2 triangles to start out with. One of those triangles, it is wide on one side, pointy on another. I'm gonna show you with the Sharpie the shape that I'm gonna cut right down here. And with my scoring tool, I'm gonna scratch my straight line. I want it a little bit shorter right here, so I'm not gonna be right on my Sharpie line. Scratch out to the edge, get my gold bolt up, break that off. Now I need to double check that this isn't wider than my base piece. It is a little wider, it's hanging off the edge, so I need to trim this off. I'm gonna use my glass cutters to do that. We're gonna trim that. So there's part of my scarf. Now I wanna get the ends of the scarf, and this is where we get to use our glass cutters to cut off just a couple of random or irregular shapes for our scarf. And then you can choose how you want them to sit and come off the edge of your scarf. I think I might want this one a little bit shorter. And I'm gonna set this underneath. And then this one sits on top. Oh, it rolls away. So I'm gonna take another piece of glass. I'm gonna make myself another bumper. I want it to be smaller than the piece I'm stacking on top. These things get a little fussy sometimes. There we go. Ah! It's all right. See, nothing's done until it goes through the kiln. Just make my adjustments. Hid my eyeballs in there. Okay. Using my tweezers for those pieces. Set this right here on top. This one goes this way. All right, there's my scarf. Now I'm gonna add a couple of decorations to his hat. I'm gonna use red beads, like I have little holly berries. And then a little piece of green from the trees that I just made. Just that little triangle. Clip yourself a couple options, and then that gives you a little triangle that you can tuck in between 2 red beads as a little holly leaf. And now we have made our decoration for our snowman hat. Now last thing we need to do is glue this down so that we can move this out of the way, because we have one more ornament to create. So we're putting these drops of glue where mosaic meets mosaic and where mosaic meets the base piece. We already glued our eyes and our mouth. Make sure we get our head glued down, the body glued down, and make sure the scarf is glued to the body. So there we go. We are all set with that snowman ornament.